everyone, today we're going to change the rear differential oil on a 2023 BRZ. First, jack up the car and support it on jack stands. Loosen the fill bolt first. You'll need a 10mm hex bit socket on a breaker bar. Break the bolt with a breaker bar and use a ratchet to remove it. Repeat the same process on the drain bolt. Use a cloth to clean the metal shavings off the magnet on the drain bolt. You'll need 1.2 quarts of GL5 differential oil. Attach the fluid pump to the bottle. Pump just enough to get the old oil out of the differential before you reattach the drain plug. Screw in and tighten the drain plug. Pump in 1.2 quarts of fresh oil. Screw in and tighten the fill plug. Wipe off any excess oil and you're done.